let's start. As you can see how messy my kitchen is. It's shameful. And I'm just going to clean this part for today. Actually, it will spend me hours. And so I'm just going to move around the food because I will spray some chemicals on it. I don't want them, spray on my food. Okay. First, I take out everything just to try. And this is bought from the Chinese stores just for cleaning the heavy duty exhaustive fan actually. Okay, this we use it for one VS3. I just put it in the bottle, and for spraying one this detergent and 3 times of water to put it in the bottle. And means actually is more, I think more effective for applying. And EasyOff is for spraying on the oven, and it works. Let me see. I have 2 bottles because sometimes when you finish this, there's still about 1/3 of the bottle, and it just doesn't come out. So I think they are all used. I don't know which one is that doesn't work. And sometimes the bleach is also useful for cleaning everything. Okay, these are all, Let's start. Let me roll up my sleeves. Put on the gloves. It's a must to protect my hands. And now I'm just gonna to spray first, and they will stay on it, maybe hold it for half an hour. And yeah, let me do it. First, let me think which one I should. Okay, this one. This one I've already mixed, use 1 detergent and plus 3 times of water, put it in water, and I just spray it on it to get rid of the oil. Oh, it just see, touched the screen. And this side, spray more. And EasyOff, spray on the oven. No, not this part. Sorry, I made a mistake again. Okay, I'm going to use it to clean because it will become thin from this one, not this one. Spray on the frames. Actually, turn it over. Because at the bottom, there are also some stains. smell choking me. think there's some chemicals. Okay, then I use some wind. I put it in the spray water bottles. Then with some water. The hole here will be stuck sometimes, so I use some water to wash it to make sure it can work. Shake it. The other side, because they will flow down. Oops, it doesn't work. Okay, it's gonna work. Okay, I fix it. I just changed the bottle to put in the wind. I'm just gonna to spray to the cabinet. It's more easier. Let them stay for about 30 minutes. Then we wipe them. Then your job will be more easier, more effective. Okay, it just turned off. Can turn on. See, it's so interesting. Okay, and the wind. Then this time, use this to spray on the rest of the oven, on the stainless part and the plastic part. I used to put some plastic wraps on the wall just to protect the wall. Now I just peel off them. Okay, it's dripping. And actually, the most important thing actually is inside here. I'm gonna do the wing stuff. It's more easier, I feel. Okay, now use the concentrate. The spray first. I'm gonna to take them out. It's very, very see how they all of this. Wow. They are all. This is for holding the oil. Spray on it. That's wing. I think wing is more easy.